First look and hands-on of iPhone 14 Plus UAG Monarch case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Monarch series case comes in a nice retail package. The front cover of the box is semi-transparent and you can easily see the case lying inside. The front of the box also calls out some of the most popular features like the drop testing rating and the color of the case. The back of the box features some additional details, including the fact that the case has an armor frame and that the case has a 10-year warranty. When you open the box, you find the case stationed on top of a plastic inset. To use the case, you pull it off of the inset and then install your phone. The Monarch series case is built with top-quality premium materials and is considered an all-terrain phone case. It's been built to withstand 2x military standard 810G, 516.6 drop protection. The case has 5-layer construction and features a soft impact-resistant core and protective screen surround. The layers of protection are designed to disperse and deflect energy if confronted with an impact. And even though the case has traction trip and oversized tactile buttons, it still has feather-like construction. The Monarch case is a very nice protective case that is designed really nicely for the iPhone 14 Plus. I think it does a good job of protecting the phone and looks good while doing it. The ports are all easily accessible with the Monarch case and the buttons are easy to press. If you are looking for a new case for your iPhone 14 Plus, this could be a really good option.